Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of Budget Traveling Across North India for a Month. This is our last day of exploring Delhi. We will start our day with a beautiful sunrise at Yamuna Ghat. Also, मैं पहली बार ट्राई करने वाली हूँ एक Tibetan dish which is laughing at Majnu Ka Tila. We'll also head to an amazing cafe and we'll end the day by visiting two beautiful monuments, Jama Masjid and Qutub Minar. Guys, good morning. It's day 3 और अभी it's around 6:15 AM. I am heading to Yamuna Ghat जहाँ मुझे सनराइज के लिए जाना था. It's already late from my hostel. It is around 22 minutes, like around 12 kilometers. So I think I'm gonna make it on time. But यार यहाँ से कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा है. There's no tuk-tuk to go to the metro. Managed to get an auto. Auto मिल चुकी है. And let's see if we make it to the sunrise. Guys, the rickshaw wala just dropped me on time. It's 6:46. Sunrise already हो चुका है. But we are coming to the ghat.
नंबर घाट है.
हाँ.
हम लोग ही कराते हैं.
अच्छा बहुत प्यार है.
ये रविंद्र शर्मा है. ये कराते हैं.
अभी वो बर्ड्स नहीं है क्या?
थोड़ा आप लेट आए हो. जल्दी आते हैं.
गाइस, ये मंदिर कभी डूबती नहीं है, ऐसे मुझे भैया ने बताया. एंड यहाँ पे आज सीगल्स नहीं हैं, बर्ड्स जो होते हैं वो नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी उनको खाना दे चुके हैं. एंड आई एम अ लिटिल लेट. सनराइज भी वैसे तो हो चुका है. फीलिंग गुड. द बोट राइड इज फॉर 100 rupees So guys, we are at the other side of Yamuna Bank and I've met these college students. These guys are quite passionate about photography, poetry. And she's Drishti. Drishti, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, so I'm Drishti. I'm from Jabalpur. I've been living in Delhi for almost 3 years now.
Yeah.
And I'm a spoken word artist. I go to places, I perform, and from those places also I take words. Then those words take me to other places, and I'm a traveler. So that's about it. I like to roam around.
Yeah, she's a beautiful soul, guys, and the poetry and the work that she does, it's amazing. You should follow her on Instagram as well. Can you tell the name of your page?
Yes, it's the imprinted words.
Okay, beautiful. 10 on 10 recommendation. Yeah, that's Rashi. She's a photographer and she just passed out of college and she's doing her masters, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. And this is the upcoming amateur.
Great in photography.
She's already pro.
Oh yeah, looks like, at least it looks like.
Handling this camera like a pro. Already.
And she got a new camera, right?
Yay.
Yeah, great.
Finally.
Just hanging out with these folks for today. We are planning to go to eat something.
Hot please.
So let's see.
नहीं वो अपने enjoy करती हूँ. Let's go. भूख लगी. तो मेरा MS ले रही हो.
क्या ले रही है?
बता तू.
यहाँ पे जो अंकल एंड आंटी थे, they were really a very sweet and beautiful couple. Also, आंटी ने हमें 2 बार चाय बना के भी पिलाई. And let's take a moment and appreciate uncle's sense of humor. He was really funny and they kept sharing their stories with us. We are heading out of the Yamuna Ghat, or the plan is to go somewhere for breakfast. These guys are going to take me somewhere. Perks of hanging out with Delhi locals. Wow, wow! Like the energy. Thank you, auntie.
Initially, this place was not Tibetan refugee. There was this one Punjabi dude called Majnu who came and settled here. It's actually a tea, like this place is like a mount.
Okay, okay.
But then, oh my god, you're recording.
It's okay, it's okay.
So after a while, he moved out towards that area, of, like towards the southern side of Majnu Ka Tila, and then after the whole Tibetan that thing that happened, that which the Dalai Lama got his followers here, they're settled here now.
Okay.
So this is still Majnu Ka Tila, but no longer occupied by Majnus, but Tibetans whom you will see around.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I want to eat one of these. What?
We will make it. We will make it.
How long is the walk?
Very close.
So like Rashi said, guys, this place has a Tibetan influence and यहाँ पे एक अलग वाइब आ रहा है, अरे वाइब आ रहा है मेरे को।
It's a very
This is also cute. Tibetan arts, okay. Dragons. Okay. मोमोज मिलता है क्या यहाँ पे? क्या मिलता है?
Have you tried दिल्ली के मोमो or not?
नहीं यार।
Oh my god.
मैंने ना वो भोपाल करके जगह में मैंने खाया, पर इतना भी खास नहीं था।
I don't know.
What's the name of this?
Nothing.
Okay.
But we cry after that. That was a good one.
Okay, there's a layer of that paratha, and then there's stuffing inside. It's veg, na?
Which?
Okay.
Soya.
Okay.
You'll top it with what? So with soya.
Okay.
How's the metal?
In deep thought.
It should be topped with what?
Nice, something different. Seriously, something different since a while.
Can get really spicy. Like the average spicy.
Yeah.
They can make it super spicy. The one that we had gone the last time, it was less spicy, average spicy, more spicy. Taste yourself. Like suit yourself. And we chose suit yourself. And oh my god.
Burning eyes. No,
Seriously, this is moderate. एक से ज़्यादा तो I can't eat.
Do you guys want to have
Have
one?
it?
No, I got good.
Can't have more. Okay. We are heading to the second floor of Ama's Cafe. vibe of this place is really good, guys, and they serve English breakfast, cappuccino, pancakes, and both the food and the ambience was a perfect blend. I would highly recommend you to visit this cafe. I'm currently heading towards Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is quite famous. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan built the Jama Masjid between 1650 to 1657. It was constructed by more than 5,000 workers. Shah Jahan also built the Taj Mahal at Agra and the Red Fort, which stands opposite Jama Masjid. The timing that we visited Jama Masjid was on a Friday in the afternoon around 2 p.m. and उस वक्त था नमाज का और काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी. So due to COVID, I just thought that it's not right to go and explore Jama Masjid this time and just headed to the next location. Hey guys, I'm at the Qutub Minar and you have to book your tickets online. I think this is after COVID. I've booked the tickets and you just have to scan. You have to fill a form and make the payment. The Qutub Minar is UNESCO's World Heritage Site and it looks beautiful, guys. You guys have to come here and explore this place. It's 72.5 meters long here during sunset and it looks pretty beautiful. This was my last day in Delhi and I decided to go to this beautiful place which has live music and some amazing food. So that's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Also, do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on my latest video. As always, thanks for watching.